き抜け Fly away 体中に広がるパノラマ顔を蹴られた地球が起こって火山を爆発させる溶けた氷の中に恐竜がいたら玉乗り飛行みたいねチャラヘチャラ何が起きても気分はヘナヘナカッパチャラヘチャラ胸がパチパチするほど騒ぐ元気がチャラヘチャラ
Ellie.
Oh. Oh, Pop. Oh, poor Goku.
No, it can't be. No. And Goku was no more. He was gone forever, but nobody forgot him. Silently, they all grieved, and they remembered. And then little by little, normal, peaceful life returned. However, sometime later, two diabolical creatures suddenly appeared on a small island in the south, and everybody tried to defeat them. They tried everything in vain. Big Green had perished. Vegeta, Yamcha, Tenshin, and Clearin, they had survived. Those two androids plunged the world into a state of terror. This is the story of two destinies unlike any other. "13 years had passed.
Where do you go to get coffee?
Save us! Somebody save us!
All of you disappear within 10 seconds or the consequences will be devastating for you.
Why are you being so easy on them?
10, 9,
8, 7,
6, 5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
bingo!
You're monsters! By what right do you kill us?
The two androids are destroying the city center. It's a living nightmare. Thousands of people are fleeing in panic. The entire army's been taken out, and all police headquarters are gone. There's no one to save us. The humanity! what do you know about it? There's no place safe anymore. They're gonna come and get us.
Meanwhile, the androids continue their ruthless attack on the world's population with no pity, and now the entire city is about to be totally destroyed.
This is the end.
Yes, it does look like this is the end. Well, if nobody else can get those androids and I've no choice, I'm gonna eliminate them.
No, don't even think about it. You haven't a chance.
Yeah, all those other guys who tried all died. How could you do anything to stop those two androids?
I'm gonna get them. Goku, if only he weren't dead.
Please don't hurt me. I never hurt you. I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, take anything you want. Take it all. But please.
I think I look great in these. Thanks. I just love your shop.
Well, tell your friends.
Hey, what are you doing? I made a plane I didn't want it destroyed. I told you not to do that until I finish shopping. Honestly, why don't you ever listen to me?
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I forgot.
The whole city is in total chaos at the disaster area. It's the end of the world. These androids seem intent on one objective. Oh!
Out of the way, or I'm gonna kill you, destroy you. I'm warning you. I'll crush you like little insects.
Everybody, fleeing in terror. The city's doomed. The androids are unleashing their total power.
These monsters have no pity. They're destroying everything. That's all they know how to do, destroy. They already killed their creator, Dr. Jiro, and now they're after all of us. Their greatest pleasure is terrifying whole populations. How are we ever going to stop them?
Listen, Mom. You go back to the house. I'll come back later.
What are you saying? And why should I do that? What is it? What's on your mind? Do you mean that he might come back? Stop! Come back here!
We're back. Better run, everybody. Get away, you poor little miserable creatures, or you'll be squashed. Oh, yeah. Who wants some?
Android 17, I'd be glad if you tell me when playtime is over so we can begin on some other big city, okay?
Yeah. Whatever.
So are we done now?
Yep. Let's go. Totally destroyed. Look what they did! The whole city destroyed in fire and blood! Why do they do it? Why? I blame myself most of all. I'm ashamed that I couldn't stop all this. I should have been able to stop them. I want to get stronger, strong enough to defeat them in combat. Please, help me. I want to start training. I'll work harder than I ever did before. I swear there won't be a next time. I won't stand by and watch. I want to beat those two. I mean, it's my duty. Am I not a descendant of a space warrior? You have to help me.
Once I felt exactly the same, as angry as you are now. My mother did everything to change the way I felt, but there was a fire burning inside me. But I warn you, it's going to be harder than you can imagine.
I know. I'll do my best to obey.
All right, let the training begin.
Trunk!
Huh? That's my mom. She's come back early. Well, you won't tell her about this, will you?
Not a word.
I'm glad you're back home. I was so worried. I was afraid you'd go off to the city. I'm so relieved you came home.
Right, Mom.
Well, it's Gohan.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, we're just fine, no problem. And you? I bet you're both starving. You're in luck. I just did the shopping. Give me 10 minutes, but don't play anything too dangerous. I'll tell you, shopping is getting to be almost impossible. All the panic those androids are causing. Anyway, we'll just have to make do with what I found. Here, taste it.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, great. Well, here goes.
Is there any more?
Yes, you're his spitting image, all right.
Oh, yeah. Whose spitting image?
When I look at you, especially in those clothes, I can't help but think of your father. It's remarkable.
I admit that I got these clothes hoping I would then be as strong as my father, but I guess I've grown up. It won't be as easy as that.
Really? I hear that you're strong enough to confront those two androids. Is it true? Do you really do battle against them? I admire you.
Thanks.
You're a role model for Trunks. He wants to be just like you. Trouble is, he'll have to begin training. Could you possibly do the training?
He shows promise, but it's not surprising he is a Space Warrior's son. What's this? Giving up already? Here.
Go on. I'd like you to tell me about my father. I know almost nothing. I guess all I really know is that he died just after I was born, so I never knew him. But you knew him. Tell me, what was he like?
He was very secretive, in a way solitary, but brave and determined and of noble character.
That's what I thought. That is exactly how my mother described him.
Chi-Chi, it's me.
Ah, you're here, Dad. Is there any news?
Today they destroyed another village. Some say they've already eliminated more than half the population of the planet. The entire world's living in a state of panic. Oh, I was forgetting I have news of Gohan.
Tell me, what is it? Is he well? What is he doing these days?
Apparently he's gonna fight the androids, he and Trunks. He says he's decided to go after them and make them both pay for the murder of his father and friends.
And when I think of how he was supposed to stay in school and be cultivated and respectable... My darling, come back to us. Never mind those horrible androids. Just come back. Please come home.
Go ahead, unleash your rage. That's where our strength comes from.
Let's go. gone.
I believe that soon he will become stronger than I. Now I know we will defeat the androids.
This amusement park must be the only one still operating.
Yes, probably. Still, there are soldiers here. That's what's scaring off the androids.
Hey, wait. Wait for your turn.
We wait? You gotta be kidding.
Now, come on. You really must wait. Oh!
Some people never learn.
Hello! Anyone help me? Get me the police! Man, quick!
Hello? 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 Hello?
This is so cool. I love it.
Me too! This is something else, much too good for humans. We're right to chase them away.
We'd better hurry.
Right.
We're taking a ride on a merry-go-round.
Those two again. What do they want?
What else? They want to cause trouble. Come on, we'll eliminate them both right now.
Okay.
I'll take this. You stand aside.
Right. Yeah, great! You're getting the upper hand! No, leave them to me. Got a score to settle.
Why, you're being so selfish as usual. You have to share your toys. And besides, it's a lot more fun two at a time.
Get those monsters! Not so fast.
Oh, dear. In a place like this, you could die of boredom.
Maybe I'll give that one last shot before we go.
I'm pretty sure the two of them have had it. If they were still alive, they'd be a nuisance. Okay, we're out of here.
Whatever you say.
There's only one magic bean left, okay. Here, you take it. You'll regain your strength.
Terrible. What happened?
Gohan did his best to see that I'd be all right.
Go lie down. I'll call the doctor.
Nothing too serious. His life isn't in danger. He should recover completely.
I knew it. I knew the two of you had gone up to fight the androids.
I didn't want to worry you, Mom.
If only Goku was still here with us. The time machine is almost ready. It's a matter of a few days. If it works, you'll be able to go back to a time when Goku was still alive.
I'll get him. I'll take those androids apart. Go ahead. Unleash your rage.
Yes, we will destroy them. Pretty hard training. I'm beginning to wonder if I have the right stuff.
You've got it, and you're closer than you think. Just hang in there. You'll make it. Our anger is what brings about our super strength. And when I think about my father and all my friends, the way they were killed, I feel waves of strength in me. And the growing hatred for these monsters, I sense a transformation making me into a super warrior. And you will become one too. You are the son of a space warrior. One day you will be like me.
Look what they're doing!
Yes, it's the androids again. All they can do is destroy. We have to stop them. They'll pay!
Right, Gohan. Only have you got a plan?
Here's the plan. You remain here and wait for me. You got that?
No, I'm coming along. I'm strong. I can help. You've made me ready to fight. I'm coming along.
Then watch it. You must never underestimate the power of those androids.
I promise I'm not going to be a burden. Whatever happens, Gohan, I want to be there and fight at your side.
Maybe you are ready. Come along then. Now we're a team.
You bet.
Trunks, you are our last hope. If you were to die, there would be nobody left to save the world. You are the only one who could ever defeat the androids. Always remember that.
I've had it with this place. I mean, there's no humans left alive. Forget about it. We're out of here. Up north, we'll find lots of humans, live ones.
Oh, let's stay here for a while more. There's still some stuff left to destroy. Anyway, if we rush around and blow up the whole world, well, you know, that'll just kind of cut down on our fun.
You know, you can be really so uncool sometimes. Okay, let's play a little game and wrap this up. A good time was had by all. That do it for you?
Cool.
I mean it, dude. You are a mess.
See what you did? Thanks a lot. This is my favorite outfit. You better be a little more careful next time. And for the record, all I've got is one outfit left. Excuse me for mentioning it, but I think he's still there.
I promise you he won't be there long, because we're going to stamp his ticket. Now.
You just might be making a big mistake. You can't win, you monsters. Because there's somebody with me you can never defeat. I think you should know he holds enough power to destroy you both.
I don't understand. His strength, it's all gone. Huh? No, this can't be. Go on. No, not that. Go on. No, I can't believe this. It can't be. Oh, go on. Go on, get up. Go on. Go on.
Passed.
Hey, I'm back, Mom. Look what I bought. Enough provisions to last a week.
That's fine, son. Thanks a lot. Come over here. I have a surprise for you. I think I finally got the time machine ready to work.
No joke?
You'll be able to go 20 years back in time. You realize? It took a lot longer than I thought it would. I still haven't tested it. There shouldn't be any real problem returning to the present. Too bad my laboratory was destroyed. If I'd had that, I'm sure the machine would be perfect.
Listen, I've been training hard over the past 3 years. I'm ready to battle the androids. What's the point of going back in time? I don't need any scientific research.
You're still a young man, son. Yes, I admit you've become very strong, but you never must underestimate how powerful they are. Remember, they beat Gohan. And I don't think that you're stronger than he was. Not yet.
I'm ready to beat them, Mom. I've been training hard, and I can feel it. I know that I'm ready.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you breaking news about the androids. We have just learned that they are again on the rampage. They're killing and destroying whole cities. It looks like they're going to attack in the south. Be on alert. They're coming.
Mom, they're coming our way.
What are you thinking, son? You're not going to... No, you can't.
Mom, I have to try. This time, I'm going to win.
No! Please don't go!
This one is for you. Today, they're going to answer for everything they did to us. I swear it.
Let's go someplace else and play, okay?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Just 1 second. We still have a score to settle. 3 years ago, you killed a friend of mine, Gohan, remember?
You again? You just won't learn. You're getting to be a real bore, you know that? Once and for all, get it? You're a loser.
actually did it!
Well done. You've made progress since we last met.
Yes, but his fighting technique is nowhere. He's too obvious, and he expends his energy for nothing.
They're too fast for me. They dodge every attack I make. Missed again! No way, I can't do this! Where are they? Where are you hiding?
What's wrong? You look exhausted.
Oh, you poor guy. Face it, the thing about androids is they never get tired. You'll never win, kid.
I keep telling him he wastes his energy, he'll never learn. This joke has gone on for long enough. Let's finish him off.
Huh?
He's still alive.
Oh.
Why are you doing all this? Why? What makes you want to destroy the whole world?
Well, we don't have the slightest idea. All we know is that Dr. Jiro created us to serve him, but we haven't a clue what we should do.
The sight of a human really sets us off. We find all of you definitely uncool.
You are monsters. I'll destroy you.
Now, the end.
No! No, let me. It's my turn to do him. You'll be okay. Try to rest. I'm here.
Mom!
Finally, you're awake. We were all worried. For the past 5 days, you've been unconscious.
Yeah, you must have been worried. I admit it, Mom, you were right. I'll never be powerful enough. Androids are just too strong.
Never mind, dear. The main thing is you're here. You'll be all right now, and that's all that matters, son.
Mom, I want to try your time machine just as soon as I feel well enough.
I'd hoped you'd say that. Then you'll go back 20 years and take a special medicine to Gohan's father. Oh, if only he hadn't had that heart trouble, the world today would surely have been a better place.
You mean that then he'd have been strong enough to defeat those two androids? You really mean it?
You know, he really was someone special. With him, everything was possible. He gave all of us confidence. We felt we could hope for anything. Everybody, even the most pessimistic, believed we were safe with him.
Mom, you know what? I'd really like to meet my dad.
He could be quite different from what you imagine him to be. Take this. It's the heart medicine I told you about. But remember, you must give it to Goku, no one else. Be careful. My love goes with you.
Okay, now you promise me that you're going to take care of yourself.
Yes. Now be on your way.
See you soon.
And so Trunks departed in the time machine, his destination, the present, where he was to win many battles, but that is another story.